What's up, 007? How you doing? Choppy afternoon. Let's see if we can secure us nice little trade here for day number 4 of the TradeDay Influencer Cup. Everything's pretty damn choppy. NQ close to making new all-time high again. Same thing with ES, real close to all-time highs. YM on the other hand, not so close. I mean, we're literally less than 5 points away from all-time high here. I'd like to see what happens when all-time high is taken here. Gold just going sideways. Oil, looking at it on the 15 minutes, is just kind of range bound here. Throw up some trend lines here just to see. We're kind of just playing ping pong here, sitting by the VWAP. So, going to give away one TradeDay 50K intraday account that they have provided me with direct from TradeDay for taking part in this Influencer Cup. In order to be able to enter the giveaway, you will need to have at least 15 bread. You're awarded 5 bread for every 10 minutes you watch and chat, so you have to watch for 10 minutes and at least drop one message. See how many viewers we get, and hopefully we get us a couple in here. Make it worthwhile to give this account away. How you doing, Val? How you doing, Adiata? Please read exactly how the giveaway is going to work. It's up here on the chart. NQ, new all-time high. YM just sitting at the VWAP here. Not really seeing anything that I like here. So we'll wait to see here if ES takes out its all-time high. Give it a little bit to see what exactly is going on. Because right now we're basically just consolidation and a slow melt up. This movement is very stale. Not sure if I want to even put risk on with this movement. Yep, I'm back after a short break. I reset everybody's bread points. Here's the current bread. See it on your screen. Trader 007 and Adiat Gamers already both have 5 points each. So just like from the stream this morning, if you were here, you know how it works. This movement, there's just nothing really worth trading right this second because of how sideways we are. How'd everybody end up today? Red, green, break even? I am not really a pattern trader here, but this thing is just kind of sticking its eyes at me here. I got some old trend line liquidity down here. And I kind of got a shoulder ahead, and we're forming another shoulder. So if we try to short, stop loss above this high, take profit around this level, and we bumped it up to about 4 contracts there. That'd be a 1 to 2. Yeah, I'll try that. We're going to try that short. Over here on YM. 4 contracts short. I'm getting a little unconventional here with our entry models, but it's sticking out like a sore thumb. So we've got our stop loss. Take profit down here. Entry is at 980. Stop loss is at 17. Take profit is at 80. So it's a 1 to 2.7. Please read how you get the points, Hassan. It's right here on the chart. Tells you how they work. They get reset. I reset them before this stream started, so no one had any at the beginning of this stream. No trade for Val. No trade is sometimes the best trade. Adiada was green. Good to hear it. Currently up 240 from our entry there. So far, Adiada has 10 bread points, Hassan has 5, 007 has 5, Val has 5, and Donna has 5. Slow moving market here. NQ made new all-time high there. Inverse that 1 minute. That's a good looking entry right there. We did like 2 contracts. Took it down here to these equal lows. I'm also going to put that on right there. Short on NQ and YM. This one is based off of taking out all-time highs and then forming this inversion here, targeting these equal lows down here. Nothing major, just up 110 there. YM, we're up 260. We also have some more equal lows down here that are worth noting. Only going for a little move down here, not much on an NQ. Only a little move. Not looking for much. Please read the instructions on the TradingView chart on how to earn bread so there's no confusion. Had a bunch of confusion this morning. I was even confused myself. Thank you, Moxie. YM moving in our favor here. NQ moving in our favor as well. We need YM to close under that VWAP there. Right now it's currently holding price up. Yeah, I'm not expecting anything fast. There we go. Nice little movement down here on YM. Let's continue to see a little push down here. I'm going to trail my stop on YM behind each candle closure. The prior candle that closed. So if we get stopped out, we'll retain some of the profits there. Looking like we're stopped there on YM. It's okay, stop them profits. currently up about $61. Not great. How y'all doing? Please read the rules on the screen. That's price holding here. Gonna try to add 2 more here. Whoop, that was supposed to be market. Probably get filled anyway right here. We're gonna get filled right here. Filled. See what happens if we take a big hit here, if we get a push down and price respects this 1 minute inversion. We did have SMT, we had NQ take out all-time high, but ES did not. Price looking for a deeper retracement here. I'd like to see this 70.5 level hold here. Come on, give me a big push down here. Big push down. Very choppy. Very, very choppy. We did inverse that 1 minute fair value gap, and we also inversed a 3 minute here. Looking at this 15-minute wick here. We are currently at the 50% level of the wick. Not liking the look of that. Wanted to close right there, but didn't. Give us a big push down here on that little push up. You went and you tapped that very tiny volume imbalance there. There's a very tiny volume gap in price right here. Price tapped into that. Hopefully that holds as resistance there. Checking out the bread points so far. Adiada's got 15, A. Hassan 10, Val 10, Donna 10, Tristan 5, Levi 5, Mad Moxie 5, and 007 5. Remember, you have to at least chat one message every 10 minutes, as well as continue to watch in order to earn the bread points. Come on, push us down here. Give us a big push down, even though you're chopping. There we go. Give us a push down here. Currently up about $100 here. Briefly, once price got back to my entry. Come on, big push down here. There we go. There we go. Push it down. Push it down. Come on. Keep pushing here. There we go. Almost there to that first take profit. Almost there. Don't do me like that. Really, you're going to drop it like it's hot like that and get low of that candle, 230.50. Get 2 points away from my first TP. Glad this account isn't live trailing that end of day. Keeping me all right there on the trailing drawdown. But damn, it played with my emotions there. Come on, push us back down. How are we looking on the 5-minute and the 15-minute? So 5-minute it looks nasty. 15-minute looks nasty. Just Wick City. No real fair value gaps or anything there. Coming up on 3 o'clock right here in about 1 minute. We got about 60 seconds till we hit power hour here. Hopefully we don't see a full-on reversal back up here. I'm going to push it down to my first target there. All right, we got a couple people with 15 points, several people with 10, a couple people with 5. Y'all make sure you do what this message says in order to get your bread. Come on, push it down. Let me push down here. Come on. No follow through here. I'm not looking for a whole lot of points here. I just want that low down there. Just want the low. All right, Adiada's got 20 bread. Hassan's got 15. Val 15. Donna 15. Mad Moxie 10. The others are sitting at 5. Yeah, it was roughly 1-to-1 on that. It was pretty close. Looking like we're just going to chop sideways here. Hopefully, like I said, with NQ making a new all-time high, but ES and YM did not, we will see a push down here that I'm looking for. Come on, push it. There we go. Almost there. Come on. Break through that trend line there. That time we got even closer. $229.75. Come on, push it down. You gotta be kidding me. Come on, push it. Let's go, let's go. He's shitting me. Just need a little tiny drop here, like 2 points. On NQ, that ain't shit. 740, 760. Come on. There we go. Filled, baby, filled. Moving this stop up. Write it on down. Currently up right at 960. Looking for these equal lows down here. We did hit that little first target there, that little scalp. It was all of about maybe 20 points or 10 points. It wasn't much. Gonna get stopped in profits here. Yep. Up 656, account over 153. So what do you guys think I should do? You guys think I should place another trade on this with it being the competition account, or you think I should take my small base hit and call it a day? We still got the giveaway coming, starts at 315, but price just isn't moving the way I would want to see it moving. I mean, we did have a change in structure here. I think I am going to call it on this. Because we're just not having any good movement here at all. And we could pop 20 points in one direction at any time. I think I'm going to take my 656 here and call it a day. So we'll turn on the executions here. One entry for 2 short at 238.25, another entry at 25.240. Took one at this low at 25.228 and one at 237. I gave back about 10 points there. Should have closed both out at this low, but you got to take what the market's giving you. It's still in profits. So, so what we will do is I am going to, just like the message says, give everybody till at least 3:15 before I open the giveaway up here. Got about 5 people with 15 bread so far. So that's not bad on a giveaway, 1 to 5. The other 4 people don't have anything else going on. They only have about 5 bread, so day 4, 656. Just a small scalp on what the market could give me there. So we will open the giveaway up at 3:15 as long as for everybody that has at least 15 bread. This price isn't moving anywhere. All-time highs. Trading is a real pain in the ass. So about 4 minutes before we open the giveaway up. And tomorrow, if you guys aren't able to take part in this, I'll be live again tomorrow at 9:30. We will be giving away 2 Apex accounts, any size you want to, for all week. So tomorrow, join me at 9:30. It'll be like today's stream where you have to have 20 bread in order to enter into the giveaway. So it'll be just like the same rules basically you see on the screen. except you must have 20 bread, so you must have 20 bread points in order to enter. To check the amount, type command bread. You earn bread by watching and being active in chat on the stream. For every 10 minutes you watch and chat, you get 5 bread. As long as you get 20, then you'll be able to enter tomorrow's giveaway, and we'll continue the same format all the way till Friday. 2 Apex accounts every day. So you guys got a chance at winning 8 accounts. So we got 2 minutes till the giveaway opens. Please ignore that message. Yeah, I was targeting those equal lows around the 218 level, but just got stopped out in profits and going to take my small profit here, 656 on the day, and call it a day. Yeah, I was in short before, Omar. That's what I was looking for. Just there's no movement, no volume going on. You may get a random pop in either direction, for 20 points. All right, so we're at 315. So I'm going to open this thing up. It's points in order to enter a giveaway. Think of it as points to a game. You need 15 points in order to enter the giveaway. You're awarded points by subscribing, watching, and chatting. For every 10 minutes you are active, you get 5. Exactly, Moxie, exactly. Bread means money. So I haven't started it yet. All right, I'm starting the giveaway. The timer's going to run for 20 minutes. You will only be able to enter if you have 15 bread. So if you type the command target smashed and it doesn't work for you, that means you do not have 15 bread. So we're running. 007, you should be able to enter. You have 15. Georgia, you got 15. Tristan, you also got 15. So like I said, I'm going to leave this thing open while the timer is running. So currently we've got 6 people in there. There's about 18 minutes left on the timer. So if you don't have enough bread yet, as long as you chat and stay active, you should be able to get in there before the end. Had my mic muted. If you guys don't have enough bread to enter this giveaway today, because once the timer's done, then we're going to pull the winner of the TradeDay account. I'll be live at 9:30 every day this week. We'll be giving out 2 Apex accounts, any size you want, to the winners, 2 a day. So 8 accounts over the next 4 days. So there's that equal low I was looking for on NQ. If I wouldn't have prematurely moved my stop up on the 3-minute where I got stopped out at 25,237, and that candle went up to 25,238.75. So about 2 points above my stop. If I would have originally kept my stop up here, we would have been securing a much bigger profit for today, but that's okay. That's all right. Had the right idea, right thesis on the trade, just got stopped out, reserving profits. It's okay. So there we go. There's the info about the next giveaway. Go ahead and put that in bright orange, make the size much bigger so everybody can see it. So next 4 days, 9:30 a.m., join me on stream. The giveaway format will work exactly like this. So YM seems to be trending just like I was showing before. I got stopped out on that. So you guys make sure you join me. We'll have the bread reset in the morning. Everybody will be back at 0, and you'll have to make 20 bread in order to be able to take part in the giveaway. So Tech 111, you have 10. You have another 11 minutes, so you could technically make the other 5 bread that you need in order to enter. Y'all go give my post some love on Twitter there. I just dropped it in the chat. Go give it some love, some likes, some comments. I'd appreciate it. Got 8 minutes left here to get your entries in and try to get your points in. I'll be right back in just a minute. All right, guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. Bathroom break. Got about 4 minutes left to enter here. Tech, you gotta type in target smashed, exclamation point target smashed to be entered. Omar, you've actually got 15 bread now too. Val's in there. If you type the code now, Omar, it should work for you. Yeah, right now I am currently sitting in 5th place. I was 6th the first day, 4th the second day, I think 6th the third day, and then from Friday to Sunday I moved to 5th. I guess it's because Canadian Futures Trader blew up. He dropped 20 points. And after today, I'm over 153 now on my balance. 153,065, depending on what these other people made and if they blew up. Um, might be up higher, might be down lower. Yeah, I'm not sure if anybody else is trading their account live or not. All my trades have been live. And I've been posting them and posting my P&L daily. What's up, Happy Desert? All right, giveaway closes in 45 seconds. I've been trading live every day at 9:30 for like the last 3 or 4 weeks now, and every day in the afternoon I've been trading the TradeDay account. I'll continue to do that the rest of this week. 20 seconds left for the giveaway sign-ups end. We got 10 people in there. So because we haven't done a TradeDay giveaway yet, even if you've won an account prior days, you can still win. Val, you got a ticket, you're in there. So basically the way it works is when you type in target smashed, it takes 15 bread from you. So if you only have 15 bread, then you'll be back to 0. It's basically like you're buying a ticket to the show, basically, or to the giveaway. So you had 10 bread left over after you got that. So I'm going to pull this over here. We've got 10 people in there. Entry, the timer is done. So we've got Donna, Adiata, Matthew, Mad Moxie, Tristan, Georgia, Hassan, Tech T, Val, and Omar. So I'm going to put a little poll in here real quick. Y'all vote on that to see how we should pick the winner. People keep asking me if I have a Discord or a community, Omar, and I've been considering opening one back up. But I do not have one at this time. Just my live streams here and what I post on Twitter. That's it. So we had 10 entries, we got 9 votes. Even if the 10th person voted, the spin wheel would still win. So we're going to do the spin wheel. Clear this list from earlier. Pull in everybody's name. So we got 10 people in there, 10 inputs, then we got 10 tickets. So what I'm going to do is you guys drop a 1 in the chat, and when I see at least 5 ones, I'll go ahead and spin this baby. All right, there we go. We got the 5 ones. We're going to go ahead and spin this puppy. Good luck to everybody. We are spinning. Spin, 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 spin. The winner of the TradeDay 50K intraday account is Georgia Jeans. Georgia Jeans, congratulations. So if you guys didn't win, please come back tomorrow at 9:30 in the morning. We'll be live again, and we'll be giving away 2 Apex accounts. You'll have to earn some bread, so you'll have to be active on the stream. You'll have to talk. At 20 bread, that'll be enough for a ticket. So I appreciate you guys tuning in. Georgia, to claim that account, please send me a PM on Twitter at FOMOTrader87, and I'll get that code over to you. It's all one word, FOMOTrader87. Send me a private message on there, and I'll get that code